Drives me crazy more than anyone before. But lately she's been tripping. I know that you don't understand. I'm trying to make a living. I'm doing the best I can. Yeah, I got this feeling that she won't commit. If she walks away, I'm gonna lose her. Gotta figure out a way to make her stay. I really hope she isn't over it, because she don't worry about the money, she don't care about the fame. All she really wants is stability. She don't wanna play the game. I gotta tell her how much I need her. She's my baby, she's my lover, and I'm thankful every day. But there's something I got to know. She's the only woman for me. When she squeezes me, she pleases me. She's the one who really needs me. When she tells me that she loves me, I know that she's for real. She's my baby, baby, my baby, 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 baby. Let me hear you say la 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 la. I need her. She's my baby, she's my lover, and I'm thankful every day. But there's something I got to know. I gotta know. Do you wanna stay together, baby? Baby, will we be forever? I gotta know. I got to know. Do you wanna stay together, baby? Baby, will we be forever, ever, ever? I gotta know. Do you wanna stay together? Baby, will we be forever? I gotta know. Do you wanna stay together? Baby, will we be forever, ever, ever?
Light a man over land is soaring. Life below, could he know? He's flying over Mallory. Natural high makes him sigh to know that he's so free. And he's smiling down at me. Over mountains, naturally, watch the birds without a word, and you wonder, with such a load, have a hold, amaze you sit and wonder. You wait for winds to give an assuring, hopeful kind of a sign, and sail into the heavens of your mind. But it's flying naturally again over oceans naturally. But he never knew you'd be in his is gone forever. He's left the gold for your soul, that you should remember. The ultimate that he earned didn't take too long. The limits that he reached are dead and gone. Boys flying naturally again over mountains naturally.